So you've got an email list, you've got an awesome offer, but how do you write emails that actually get subscribers to take action and convert into customers? Today I'm showing you a simple formula you can use anytime you need to write a sales email. Hey, I'm Sarah, an email strategist and copywriter. On this channel, I'm here every week with tips to help online entrepreneurs like you grow your business with email. And today we're talking all about how to actually write a sales email. I'm showing one of my favorite email formulas that you can use anytime you're making an offer to your list. Let's dive in. So this email formula is really kind of like a recipe, and it's super simple. It's 3 main parts, and you can adapt it to work for whatever it is that you're offering, whether it's a service, a digital product, your course, anything that you've got going on, this formula will work for you. The formula is called PAS. That stands for problem, agitation, solution. Let's go into each one of those parts so you can see how it works in action. You want to start your email by calling out the problem that your audience is experiencing. What is the main problem your offer is solving? How is that problem showing up for them in their life? What is the pain point that they're experiencing before they come to you or work with you that would prompt them to search out a solution like what you offer? So after you've identified the problem, it's time to agitate the problem. Because it's not enough to just name the problem. You really want to make them feel this problem. So how is this problem specifically causing them pain or frustration? How is it showing up in their life? What is it costing them? Is it costing them time? Is it costing them money? Is it costing them energy? Is it costing them stress? How is this problem making their life worse? And this is where you really dig in. You kind of twist the knife. So if you think of this problem or this pain that they're experiencing as like an open wound, you want to kind of poke at it and prod at it and make them feel that pain. So many of us have problems like this that are super easy to ignore. We, don't think about it. We don't want to feel it. We just put a band-aid on it and think, I'll deal with that later. You want to make them feel that pain really strongly right now as they're reading the email. The thing is, you can't help them take action if you don't help them see how big this problem really is. And the thing is, you need to make them feel this pain strongly enough that they decide, now is the time I'm going to take action and do something about fixing this. Because if they don't feel it, or if they feel like it's not a big enough problem, they'll just ignore it. They'll put it off. If it's just a little problem, if they don't see how it's costing them time, they don't see how it's, messing with their life, it's really easy to ignore, say, oh, I'll take care of it later. But if you want people taking action, you want to make them feel that pain right now and feel it viscerally. Sometimes it can be really hard to write this type of copy because when you're digging into that pain, you might be like, oh, this is just gonna make someone feel really bad. But don't worry, you're not gonna be leaving them in pain. The next step is to give them the pain reliever, aka your solution. So the final step of this email formula is to introduce the solution. So how can you solve this problem? How can you make this pain disappear? How can you help them get past this pain and this problem and get onto something even bigger and better in their life? This is when you introduce your offer as the solution. This is where you can talk about the benefits of your offer and how it will help alleviate this pain that they are feeling that you just stirred up and poked at. You can paint a picture of what their life will look like after they get the solution. This will help them see that they can get over this problem, get through this pain, and see that there is a better solution waiting for them. The final step is to end your email with a call to action that invites them to take the next step. That could be booking a call, visiting your sales page, buying right now, whatever the next step is for them to get the solution to alleviate and fix their pain, tell them what to do. And that's basically the PAS framework in a nutshell. Now that you know how to write a sales email, check out this video to learn how to write a great subject line to go with it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. I post new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.